Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to Fall Fridays. This is probably gonna be my most exciting Fall Fridays recipe video yet. Today is all about the pumpkin bun in the oven. Now, whenever you want to put a bun in the oven, you need to follow the right steps, wait the right amount of time before the bun is ready to go. So let's get started. Now, currently in the slow cooker, Jordan really wanted me to make a lamb chili. It is a beautiful, rainy, cozy day here in Australia, which is perfect because it reminds me of fall, even though it's spring in Australia. It's okay. Your bun is going to go with the flow and it's gonna know both things. Okay, so what you're gonna need is your KitchenAid, mine is from America, so it's plugged into a transformer, kind of like my very own bun in the oven, who is going to be American and Australian. There's nothing wrong with having American and Australian to make your bun. This recipe is from handletheheat.com. I found it on Pinterest. First things first, 1 packet of yeast. Instant yeast. We have a 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. So for the milk, we want to scald the milk and then bring it down to lukewarm, which is perfect right now. The reason why she wants us to do this in the recipe is because apparently it gets rid of the whey protein, which helps the buns rise. 1 cup. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Whatever you have left, if you've melted too much, we can use it for the cinnamon butter that we make later. Our secret ingredient is the 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. So not pumpkin pie mix. My very first Fall Fridays video, I show you how to make homemade pumpkin puree. 1 egg. Now we're going to mix this up with the dough hook. We're going to add the flour very slowly. 3 3/4 cups of plain flour. Just going to add it slowly. Also, how cute is this bowl? Normally I make most of my buns or most of my bread I hand knead. This time I'm not in control of the process, right? I'm having to just relax. Very odd thing for me to do, not being in control. I have found myself worrying a touch. And also, when you have a pumpkin bun in the oven, you really want to share it with your family. And at the moment, I won't be able to share my pumpkin bun with my family, which has made me quite sad. Of course, Jordan and I are gonna enjoy our pumpkin bun in the oven, but I would like our whole family to be able to take part in the pumpkin bun in the oven. Isn't that cute? It says a bountiful harvest. I got this from World Market. Cute. So I have decided to add a little bit more flour. Because it's still kind of sticking to the sides. That's better, just a little bit more. Give it a little bit of tender loving care. Buns in the oven, love the tender loving care. Adding the extra, calm down girl. Adding the extra flour was really good. I'm gonna leave this on a slow speed and let it continue to work for another 3 minutes. The more, the merrier. I just reread the recipe and the recipe suggests letting it rest in the bowl for 3 to 5 minutes and then continuing to knead it with the dough hook. I'm gonna do that. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat these. We're gonna eat these with our lamb chili. I cannot wait for my bun in the oven. It's gonna be great. We're going to turn this back on. We're going to let it knead until it pulls away from the sides. Even though it's supposed to pull away from the sides, I still want to scrape down the sides. I want to do everything I can to make sure the bun in the oven has the best chance. I'm gonna hold it for as long as they'll let me hold it, you know what I mean? I've heard that buns in the oven can make you gain a little bit weight. You know, you're a little bit more hungry. Some people don't get so hungry when they have a bun in the oven. I've been fine. Every now and again I get a little bit of bun in the oven bloat, then it's gone in the morning. All right, now let's grease our bowl and then transfer the dough into that. We're gonna let it rise for 45 minutes to an hour. Over the course of this next little bit of time, the bun in the oven is going to double in size, and so might I. Cute. I feel like I'm gonna have the cutest bun in the oven. What do y'all think? Now I've heard that resting is important for your bun in the oven, and that you can be quite tired, so you should rest. That is something that I have experienced in the first phase of my bun in the oven. I was extremely fatigued. So fatigued. I've never been so tired in my entire life. So let's let this rest. What y'all think about my new coffee mug? Pumpkin cold foam cold brew. That's where it's at. Let me put this down a little bit. Okay, so I've had to redo a couple of them because I wasn't doing enough cuts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then in the middle. And then they'll rise. Just putting them on the baking sheet. Oh, 15, of course. So there's perfect rows of 3. That makes sense. Going quick because I don't want my battery to die again. And also, I need these to be in the oven pretty soon so I can get to work. Bun in the oven, balancing work, you know, getting it done. How freaking cute are those? I'm gonna cover these up with a tea towel. Okay, so we're gonna let these rise for 45 minutes, clean up, charge my camera. I'll meet you back here. Hey Google, set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, and that's starting now.
Don't take them out until they're done. Y'all, I nearly forgot. Having a bun in the oven can make you very forgetful. We're supposed to put a little bit of egg wash on these before we bake them. So let's just put that on there now. It's 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of water. Bun brain is real. Quick egg wash. Let's pop them back in. All right, so our buns are done. Some of them got a little overdone because sometimes they can, you know, stay in the oven too long and they're a little bit overdone, but at least they're done, you know what I mean? And then some are just normal timing, you know what I mean? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut pecans in half and put them in the little tops of the buns. And also I made a really delicious cinnamon honey butter. This is on the website as well. It is butter, honey, cinnamon, and powdered sugar or icing sugar. Whip it up and you put them on your bun. Ow, very hot. On your buns to eat. Woo, it's hot. So, woo. Anyway, let's continue to put the stems on. How about I bring you closer to the little stemage? Okay, so we're just into the holes that we pre-poked, right? Can y'all see my cute little mug? Yes. Into the little holes. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I think I'm gonna eat this one. How freaking cute is that little bun? Ooh, they're hot. Ooh. Yes. Stay focused. This is so whipped. I'm just gonna put it. Ooh. Let's take a bite. Damn. That is delicious. Can you see me? Cute. Okay, better lighting. Focus. Yes. Cinnamon butter. That is good. I'm gonna tell y'all something. This bun is making my bun in the oven very, very happy. I'm gonna have another one. Come through. Anyway, I'm so excited to be able to finally tell y'all I've had a great first trimester. No sickness, no real food aversions. I did go off coffee for like a hot minute, but it still smelled good to me. I didn't want it. Other than that, I've done really well. I can still exercise, no morning sickness, so hashtag blessed. I wanted to do a cute little video for my Fall Fridays to kind of cap off what I've been doing for the fall season in America because I miss home, I'm homesick. Obviously being pregnant probably hasn't helped with that. And I can't wait to show y'all my bun in the oven. Let's see a little sneak peek on the fridge. Jordan put it on the fridge, isn't that so cute? Look at its little nose. Look at its little nose. Bun in the oven. Happy Fall Fridays, y'all.